Hello guys, welcome back to my unboxing video. This is the first one I made, so I don't know why I said welcome back. But anyway, we're gonna unbox Series 25. I have two boxes of... Yeah, well, let's just... And here they are! So yeah, here they are. Oh, let's see what I want. I hope I get, Yeah, I hope I get that guy. He looks cool. Hope I don't get that guy. He looks ugly. You. And you. Okay, let's get unboxing. It turns out I got her and her. Let's assemble them. It looks like I am done. I will add them to my minifigure collection. And here's my collection.
Tra-la-la! Are you worried about impending doom? Those evil villains got you filled with gloom. But don't you fear, there's a hero in the sky, the sky, the sky.
I think that's all for this
It's
video.
not a bird and it's not a plane.
I was willing to get
And
Rhino
it's not
Man
an excellent
Train Boy.
sandwich. It's the way
Train Boy
for
looks
Ranger.
silly.
Hear his mighty battle cry.
That's all for this video.
Underpants.
Thank you for
And watch
watching
out,
and
cry.
hope you have an awesome
Underpants.
day.